Hi, I'm Rochelle Dexter. I'm from California originally. I've lived in Las Vegas for the last 22 years. I saw Dr. Bady for the first time about a year and a half ago. My back pain was ongoing for many years. I had a very minor issue in 1988 and had to have some debris cleaned out from a disc that ruptured in my back. And then over the years, I just had continuing and ongoing degenerative issues with my back just continually getting worse and worse, to the point where I couldn't even stand for a couple of minutes to do dishes or bend over to make the bed. It was to a point to where I was not living a normal everyday life like I wanted. The pain I felt in my body was constant. It got to a point to where it was just something that was in my life. However, there were times when it started to get to the point where it just kept getting worse and worse, and the pain would radiate from the middle of my back down to my lower back into my buttocks and all the way down my leg into my thigh and calf, and I would have numbness. I wouldn't be able to, I basically couldn't function. I couldn't stand for any length of time to even do dishes or make the bed, or the pain was just ongoing. I could do one thing and then I'd have to lay down with heat or ice or whatever for more time than I was up functioning. I came to see Dr. Bady the very first time a little over a year and a half ago, I believe, and I was immediately comfortable, happy. Just, he made me feel like he was more than competent to take care of me. He gave me lots of options. He told me we could not do surgery, we could do physical therapy and give that a try, and try lots of therapy, lots of different options there, or we could do surgery, and he explained the surgery that would need to be done, and it was pretty severe, and it kind of scared me. I had to think about it for quite a while, and then I decided to go ahead and go forward with the surgery. So I came back to see Dr. Bady, and we discussed all the procedures that we would need to go through. First of all, I needed to lose a substantial amount of weight. I did lose 30 pounds, and I could have lost more if we'd have waited longer, but I couldn't wait any longer. The day of surgery, actually the surgery was in two parts. We did the first part, which was coming in through my abdomen and my side on Christmas Eve. And that was something that I thought was pretty awesome, that Dr. Bady, Anoop, and the doctor that was going to be, he was the vascular surgeon, so he was helping Dr. Bady with my body parts that needed to be moved out of the way. And that they were all willing to do that in the first place, that they would give up their Christmas Eve, to do surgery for me. About 3 weeks after post-surgery, I was doing great. I was feeling good. I was very able to manage my pain. 4 months out of surgery, I am doing fantastic. I am able to tie my shoes, which I wasn't sure I was going to be able to do. My mobility is limited. However, my pain is almost none. I can do things today that I couldn't do 6 months ago without excruciating pain. And I couldn't be happier about my recovery and the point I'm at today. and expect to continue to recover as the rest of the year goes on. And I expect to be able to have a very comfortable, pain-free life from here out. Dr. Bady, he's awesome. He is very articulate. He tells you straightforward exactly what's going on with you. I so appreciate that because he offers you options. He doesn't just come to you and say, well, this is something that you're going to have to live with, or this is what we can do, but there's no guarantees. Of course, there's no guarantees. Surgery is surgery. Everybody's different. However, Dr. Bady gives you all the material, all the information that you need to go forward and make an informed decision. And I would truly recommend him to anybody who has any kind of orthopedic issues, especially back issues. I know he does necks because he did my neck 2 months prior to my back surgery, and I have awesome results with that. And I would just say, if you're having back issues, if you're having any kind of orthopedic issues, give Dr. Bady a call. Give him a chance to talk to you and tell you what he's capable of doing for you.